Want to record something on your Android screen, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to screen record on Android. Now let's get started. The app we like to use for screen recording on Android is called AZ Recorder. The app is free to download and use, and allows you to record without watermarks. You can download this for free from the Play Store. Once you've installed the app, tap Open. You'll see the AZ Screen Recorder overlay menu on your screen, and the app should open. You can configure your recording settings by tapping the settings icon. Check that the video configuration and audio settings are set how you'd like. Then you can return to your home screen or whichever app you want to screen record. Tap the video camera icon on the side of your screen to open the AZ Recorder menu. Then tap the video camera button to begin recording. To confirm, tap Start Recording. A 3-second countdown will begin, and then recording will start. Do whatever you want to record on your Android. To stop recording, swipe down from the top of your screen and tap the Stop button. Your recording will be saved to your device's camera roll. To close the AZ Screen Recorder app so the menu no longer appears on your screen, tap and hold the red circle icon and drag it to the X that appears on your screen. That's all it takes to screen record on Android. For more helpful Android tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Android tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.